Hi, I'm Remy and I'm here to talk about Nanji's latest product. Nanji is a beauty and skincare accessories brand that is cruelty-free and vegan. And the face roller that I'm about to introduce to you is the recipe for healthy glowing skin. It's a cooling metal device that mimics the action of your knuckles, bringing oxygen to the skin cells which brightens the skin, while the rolling behaves like a gym workout for your face muscles, sculpting the cheekbones, lifting the jawline, and brows. It also strengthens the underlying skin tissue, stimulates lymphatic drainage to counteract any puffiness, minimize breakouts, and enhance absorption of your skincare products. Before you begin rolling, you want to start with freshly cleansed skin. Then proceed with your skincare, applying your favorite moisturizer. I am using a face oil today for more hydration and more slip, but you can use any moisturizer that works best for your skin type. Now hold the roller facing down and pull upwards using gentle pressure, while holding the skin taut with the other hand. We're going to start at the neck and roll upwards. Then I roll through the jawline towards the ear. So I roll over each area up to 5 times. Then I roll upwards from the base of the cheekbone towards the temple. I also like to roll between the brow bone to the temple. And above the brows, roll outwards. And upwards across the forehead towards the hairline. You can even work your products into your skin with short crisscross strokes. And then I repeat on the other side. So I use the roller about 5 to 10 minutes every day and night, and I see great results with the contours of my face and neck. Also, the coolness and the massaging is so relaxing. And here we are, my skin looks refreshed and rejuvenated. So to clean the roller, I just wipe with a damp towel and then wipe it dry. You don't need to wash with water. It's really that simple.